Question 24. A call centre received 64 telephone calls one morning. The table gives information about the lengths in minutes of these telephone calls. Draw a histogram for this information. So with the histogram, remember that we need frequency density on the y-axis and our interval widths on the x-axis. So we need to work out our interval widths to start with. So our first interval width is 5, second one is 10, 15, 10 and 5. Now we can find the frequency density by taking the frequency and dividing it by the interval width. If you don't remember that formula, you should know that frequency equals interval width times frequency density, and you can rearrange that formula by moving the interval width underneath. So now first interval then, we have got 4 divided by 5, so our frequency density will be 0.8. The next one is 10 divided by 10, which is 1. 24 over 15, which is 1.6. Then we have 20 over 10, which is 2. And then we have 6 over 5, which is 1.2. So now all we need to do is to plot this onto the graph. So we now plot our frequency densities against our interval widths. So our first frequency density, the 0 to 5, was 0.8. Now you'll notice that I've indicated here that 2 squares are standing for 0.1, and this is 1, and this would be 2. So 0.8 will be 4 squares below the 1. Then we need to go to 1 between 10 and, between 5 and 15. It's an easier one as it's on the 1. Then we have to go from 15 to 30 to 15 to 30 is 1.6. So 1.6 is just 2 above the 1.5, the 1.5 being there. So bring that down. And 2 to go. 30 to 40 is 2, so that's a fairly straightforward one. 30 to 40 is 2. And then finally 40 to 45, 1.2, so that'll be 4 marks above the 1. And we've drawn the histogram, and that's it.